Hey friends, if you wish to turn on the network adapter for Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Press the Windows key in the R key to open the run window and type the command ncpa.cpl and hit enter. Now the network adapters are shown here. To enable any network adapter, right click on it and select enable, and to disable it, right click on it and select disable. But the thing is, for example, I can disable it using this. I can right click and enable this one. But the thing is that merely by enabling here, it does not mean that the network adapter will work. The network adapter should have a port and the adapter should physically exist in the system. For example, in my case, even if the network Ethernet adapter is enabled, it won't work because my system does not have an Ethernet uh, physical hardware. So you'll always see a cross here. Okay. Another method is to right click on the start button, select settings, go to network and internet, advanced network settings, and if you see the Ethernet adapter here, you can disable it or enable it using it. So this is another way to do it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.